friends, Debbie here from Southern Delight. Really glad that you're tuning in today. Well, welcome to my channel. But I have some exciting news. I have just launched a website called southerndelight.com. Well, what is on southerndelight.com? Well, I'm going to tell you. I have got a blog, I have an online store, and also I am sharing some of my different videos on there as well. Today I just wanted to extend an invite to you to go and visit my website and check it out. And I know about a year ago I had launched a series of videos called How to Earn Extra Money Making Gift Baskets. Now, I haven't forgotten about all of you subscribers that have been subscribing and wanted to know different techniques and ways that you can actually earn money crafting. Actually, that little technique that I showed you can work for almost any type of business. Even if you're in the lawn care business, the catering business, or whatever it may be, that formula would actually work on the pricing. But we're going to continue on with that series, but it will be connected to a playlist. And then also I have several other playlists coming up for you. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek at some of the products that I'm carrying on my online store. And then, like I said before, don't forget to go down in the description box below. Click on that link and go over and visit my website. Hope to see you there. Be one of the shirts that my son and I actually designed this. And it's called Cast into the Deep Luke 5. It has that dry, wet quality to it. It's really easy when it gets wet, fast drying. Long sleeve, just a fishing style shirt. The emblem on the back, that right there is from Christ Warrior Designs. That's actually the line that this is from. If you're not familiar with Christ Warrior Designs, what that stands for is we are saved by the cross, covered by the blood of Christ, and empowered by the Word of God. So, but that is this shirt right here. And then I've got those in blue, gray, and a turquoise color right now. And hopefully we will be doing some short sleeve, just cotton t-shirts pretty soon on this. I have marked these little jewels down to $10 each. These are great little shirts and easy wash, easy care. But right now, like I said, I've got them marked down to $10 each. If you are local, send me an email and we can arrange for some pickup so you don't have to pay shipping. But right now, these are the $10 buys. And I've gotten several other shirts on there, so be sure to check out my website.